Today's vlog, we are here in Luis Hora Memorial Regional Hospital here in Abatan, Baoco, Mountain Province po. So today, sasamahan natin si Mama po na magpapadialysis. So thank you so much, Luis Hora. Maraming sa lahat ng staff dito. Thank you so much for taking care of our mother. Maraming salamat, agyaman ng unay. So ngayong araw, andito tayo sa Malasakit. Punta tayo dito sa PhilHealth at saka DSWD. At may pinirmahan tayo dito sa Malasakit Center. Ay, syempre po. So ayan po ang reason kung bakit tayo nagbakasyon, para mabisita ang ating minamahal na nanay. Diba? Habang may oras pa, syempre, spend natin ang oras natin sa mga magulang natin. Lalong-lalo sa mga minamahal natin, diba? Huwag na nating antayin kasi ang buhay ay once lang yan. Diba? Hindi ka naman parang pusa na parang siyam ang buhay. Ay, syempre samahan natin ng kwentong, diba? Kwentong kalokohan na may makabuluhan. Diba? Sana also ito na guys, papunta na tayo dito sa loob, syempre. At ikukwento kayo na naman dito about Luis Hora Memorial Regional Hospital. So, anyways, Cervantes is quite close to Luis Hora Memorial Regional Hospital. So, travel time by car from Cervantes po, approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the exact starting point in Cervantes, road conditions, and weather. The distance is about 26 to 42 km via Tagodin, Cervantes, Sabangan Road. So, ang history po ang Luis Hora Memorial Regional Hospital. The hospital is located in Abatan, Baoco, Mountain Province. It is a level 2 government hospital serving the Cordillera Administrative Region. It was originally established as Luis Hora Memorial Hospital. In 1997, under Republic Act number 8314, it was designated as Regional Hospital of the Cordillera Administrative Region and became the Luis Hora Memorial Regional Hospital. In 2018, Republic Act number 11104 increased its authorized bed capacity from 100 to 200 beds and provided for upgraded facilities, equipment, and additional healthcare personnel to improve services. So yun po, maraming salamat, Luis Hora Hospital. Thank you so much kasi grabe, very approachable kayo, wala akong masabi. Thank you so much for always taking care of our mother. Agyaman unay kan amin lahat ng tumutulong, sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa aming mama. Ayan, thank you so much and God bless you po. Ayan, agyaman na kada kayo. Unay amin, God bless you po lahat, no? Mapa financial man yan, mapa prayer man yan, kahit ano man yan na tulong. Thank you so much and God bless po. So yan po guys, yun nga, nag short vacation lang po tayo at mayroon ka tayong inayos, okay, for emergency lang po, syempre para mabisita po si mama. So maraming salamat. Thank you so much ulit, na walang hanggang katapusan na pagpapasalamat ko po sa inyo lahat ng tumulong. Ayan, Luis Hora, thank you so much. Wala akong masabi sa inyo. Okay, thank you so much. Maraming salamat and see you again in our next vlog.